Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. So this is the video for speaking in English with nature once again, and here I'm gonna engage you to practice with speaking in English with nature. We think that we need to speak with nature whenever we have the time, with partner, with friends, with colleagues, but it's not necessary to speak with them, okay, because we get every time surrounded by us the nature. So nature is the best friend to speak in English, so we can speak in English with nature here and there, everywhere. So this is a very nice building to speak, and the building actually is very old building, but the shape is very modern. I heard that this building was built more than 70 years ago. So here we go to speak with the nature again. So we can speak with friends whenever we get them, okay, but whenever we don't get them, we can speak with nature to enhance our fluency, to improve our speaking in English. So let's get started speaking with nature. Just see the nature. There is a hog plum tree, okay, it contains hog plum, and the hog plum means the amra in English. So it contains vitamin C and minerals, of course protein and vitamins. So we can speak whenever. Sometimes it has a good taste of sweet, and sometimes we can have the sour taste of this amra. So let's go for another tree. There is a lychee tree. It's called lychee. Actually this is the lychee, and it's a big tree, okay. We can have the good taste of lychee, and here and there it's available whenever it has the season. All right, so there are more trees. Let's go. So see here, it's a big lychee tree, and it's called lychee in Bangla, and we have the good taste of vitamin C. The lychee contains, and you see on the leaves of the lychee tree there are drops of drizzling, okay. And let's move on some other trees. For example, here we can find the mango tree. Here the mango tree, it is a bit wet because it's been raining and or drizzling since morning today. So here we see there's so many mango trees. The mangoes are not here, but it's a very green nature with what we can describe and speak very nicely. And you see, and it also, the mango also contains the vitamin C and B, which the mango contains, and everywhere it's available in this season, in this summer season. And however, we see there is a this is the lemon tree. It's a great source of the lemon is the great source of vitamin C. So at the time of sunny days, at the time of summer days, we can take the we can drink the juice of lemon, so it's very helpful for our health. So and we can see here inside how so many jackfruits. You know, jackfruit is called our national fruit, and jackfruit contains vitamin C and also B. We can find the jackfruit everywhere in our country, and also seeds. The seeds of jackfruits we can also cook and have the delicious. Okay, and after that we see there are some flower trees. Okay, like, and then more mango trees. Okay, so see here the jackfruit trees, so many here, and it's just nearly jackfruit trees, and have more jackfruit trees are there. And here you see, just see some jackfruits, and also here also jackfruit trees. So that's how we can speak by describing the nature, because whenever we like to speak in English, we don't need to go for our friends. So look at it here. This is the tamarind tree. This is what? The tamarind tree, which is a bit sour and contains the vitamin B and also maybe iron, and it's a bit sour taste, and it is also helpful for our diabetes patient, and those who have the blood pressure, they also can take the juice of tamarind, and it's a bit sour and tasty, and it also reduces the high blood pressure whenever it's taken as juice. So that's what about I would like to talk about the nature, the green nature here and there everywhere. So that's all about the nature today for the beginners. Thank you very much for watching, and keep practicing in speaking. Whatever you like to speak with the nature, with the natural elements. Thank you very much. See here, complete natural places, very natural places here everywhere. So last of all, I would like to say green nature is our friend, so we should be careful about our friend always, and remember to speak in English, to improve in English, to improve our fluency in English. We can speak with the nature every day, at least 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So however, you must practice regularly, continuously. Alright? And of course, remember, give the time for the time will reply you for the time. That means practice is the key to success. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.